Look at that beautiful PCB. This is the Nakoos Magnifying Glass, and I'm gonna unbox it. Hello, fellow nerds. Welcome to today's video. I am unboxing a Nakoos magnifying glass with light and stand. So I've actually been looking to get one of these, and somebody from Nakoos reached out and said they would provide one free of charge. And if I unboxed it and did a video, I like to be very transparent. It is not a paid review. They have no say over what I say. But I would like to say thank you to Nakoos for providing this free of charge. I think this will be really helpful for RandoTechNerd Studios. So it came in a large box, Amazon, straight from Amazon, and you can purchase it from Amazon. I will put an affiliate link down below. I think I'll get like 2 or 3%. And I've been looking at this specifically because I've been getting into more and more electronics stuff. I'm not familiar with magnifying glasses, standing magnifying glasses at all. I use microscopes at work. But I've been wanting this just for my hobbies and like painting and stuff like that. So let's see if this is a good one. And the price right now, it looks like it's $35.98, and you can get a $4 coupon, so that makes it about $31. And I looked, and that's about similar to other similar looking items. Okay, so let's get it open. All right, hey, look at that. They even provide you with a brick. That's pretty rare. USB-A. Would like to see USB-C, but you know, that's okay. They provided it. I'm not going to be too upset about that. Most places don't even provide it anymore. Looks like you get a little cleaning cloth. Nice and soft. Alright, I like the blue too. That's fun. Okay, a letter of thanks. Thank you. Quality matters. If you have an issue, you can email support@Nakoos. Thank you for placing your order. Thank you. Thank you. Some instructions on off, brightness, how to install the clamp. Looks like you can put it up or down, on the side, on the top. That's nice. Hey, look at that. A warranty. If it's broken within a year, we'll send you a replacement. That is good to hear. If it does break, I will let you guys know. And there's some information about the voltages, the clamp, the warranty, and the color modes. Okay, let's get into it. Let's open her up. There we go. Let's put something under there. See? Okay. And then there's the little guy. Yeah, I mean, that's definitely magnified. So there it is. There we go. Let me get it plugged in real quick. I'm trying to get this video shot in one take because I do not like editing. I'm not good at it. I need to practice more. That's really what it is. But I don't want to. Okay, here we go. Plugged in. Let's see, hit the power. Oh, okay, that's pretty bright. Let me turn off the overhead so we can see just the magnifying glass light. Okay. There we go. Okay, and then let's see what this does. Changes the color of the light. And this button. Huh. So that makes it dimmer. That makes it brighter. I guess I don't know what the difference between the two buttons are. Okay. Turn up the brightness, switch 5 color temperature, one click. Oh, okay. So it looks like you could turn it all the way down, and then you can say, oh, I want it all the way bright. That's pretty cool. And then I guess if you hit it again, it changes just between 2 color modes. Okay. I guess I don't understand what that does, but I guess I'd rather have it change to a different color mode than just not do anything when it's at max brightness. So yeah, it seems pretty good. Let me turn it down so we can see the other side. Too bright. Okay, let me turn it down. Okay, there we go. So it looks pretty nice from this side. And Let me spread this out a little bit. Feels sturdy enough. I mean, I'm not upset about that. $30. And then these lock into place. There's another one down here, locks into place. You get this, which fits into here. Let's see how that fits. Oh, let's turn back on the light. Okay, so put that down for a second. Get situated. Okay. So there we go. And oh, that okay, I see how it goes. So you can attach this to either have it so when you put this onto your desk, and let me just do that really quick. So let's bring you along. So you can put that onto your desk. And you can see there's a little bit of a, like it comes out a little bit here, but I think that's, I have a little bar under my desk. So if I put it over on my wood frame, it's fine. But I guess I'd rather have that a little wider than not wide enough. And then you just put your screws that they provided, and you screw this in however you'd like, either this way or that way. And then you pop this in just like so. It slides in and it can swivel. And it can swivel. So that's pretty nice. So yeah, I'm excited to use this. It's going to be a new part of our using it for small electronics, building things, and fine detail painting. And I'm pretty happy with it. I obviously I'll keep you guys updated if anything, you know, breaks or it doesn't work, but it seems decent quality. I like the touch buttons, and I like that it has this little extra magnifier up here. I could definitely see myself using this. Let's see if we have anything interesting we can look at. Yeah, I mean, I could see this being helpful for somebody whose eyes are going too. Makes reading really fine print nice, and you can have it hands-free. So, I like it. I like it a lot. I think $30 is pretty fair for it, and I think it's decent quality. I haven't tried any other ones, so, you know, if you make magnifying glasses and you want to send me one, I will do a comparison. But for now, I am very happy with this Nakoos. Thank you, Nakoos, for sending this to me, and I will catch you guys on the next one. RandoTechNerd out.